Deciding between hiring a CIO consultant and building an in-house IT team is a big step for any business, and each approach comes with its own set of strengths and challenges. Let's break down what sets them apart and how you can choose the best option for your needs. CIO consultants bring strategic guidance to your organization. They help you align your IT goals with your overall business objectives, offering insights that can drive growth and improve performance. One of the main advantages is flexibility. You can access high-level expertise without the cost of a full-time executive. This is especially helpful if your business is growing or if you need targeted support for specific projects. However, there are some common mistakes to watch out for when working with consultants. Not defining clear goals from the outset can lead to confusion and missed expectations. It's important to communicate your IT objectives early and ensure the consultant understands the unique challenges of your industry. Also, focusing only on the cost can be short-sighted. The real value lies in finding someone who can deliver long-term solutions and proven success. On the other hand, an in-house IT team offers deep familiarity with your company's day-to-day operations. They're always available and fully invested in your business. But building and maintaining a dedicated team can be expensive, and sometimes it's hard to find the specialized expertise you need. So, which approach is best? It depends on your business goals, budget, and the complexity of your IT needs. Consider what matters most for your organization and choose the path that will help you achieve lasting success. Gain the insight of a CIO without the full-time cost. Partner with our Boston Fractional CIO services for strategic IT planning and management that fuels growth. Call 781-943-5130 today or visit bostonbiztech.com to learn more.